chemcast.
Hello. In this edition of Chemcast, we're going to look at stoichiometry. You will need your periodic table and a calculator, so get those ready and then we'll get going. Here's our problem for today. What mass of water can be produced from 100 grams of hydrogen and excess oxygen? Alright, so how do we know that this is a stoichiometry problem? We're asking for one thing, the water, but we're given the amount of one of the others, hydrogen. And it says excess oxygen, and that means we just don't need to worry about that. We only need to worry about the hydrogen in the problem. First thing we have to do is balance the equation. Sometimes this type of problem is called a mass-to-mass conversion, because we're converting from the mass of hydrogen to the mass of water. We can't do that in one step, so that's where the stoichiometry comes in. We're going to set this up as a factor labeling problem. First, we look at what's given. We have 100 grams of H2, and we put that over 1. Next, we divide by the molar mass. That's 1 mole of H2 over 2 grams of H2. I'm using the labels H2 here so I can keep track of what compound I have when in this problem. The third step is my mole ratio step. In this case, I have 2 moles of H2O, that's what I'm going to in the problem, over 2 moles of H2. That's what I'm already given. The last step, I convert back into grams by multiplying by the molar mass. It's no longer H2 that I'm dealing with, so I'm working with H2O. So that's 18 grams of H2O for every 1 mole of H2O. At this point, I'll pull out the calculator and solve it and get 900 grams of H2O. That's it. Thanks for joining us for this edition of Whitman Chemcast.